This skincare routine can help you to anti-age, depuff, reduce acne, and leave your skin glowing. Hey guys, welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. Well, you're in my home. Welcome to mi baño, my bathroom. This is a skincare routine that I usually do after traveling or flying. Your skin gets destroyed, like all the moisture gone. Usually my skin breaks out, it's all puffy, especially underneath the eyes. Now, all of the products that I'm using in this video are by Natural Skinfood. I have been using Natural for just over a year now, and I've seen a tremendous difference in my skin. I have zero makeup on right now, zero, just fresh out of the shower. So let's get into the tutorial. First things first, we gotta put the hair back. Let's start with the basics. There was a time when my hair was not so long. Okay, first up, we're gonna wash it. So I use the Remove, the Manuka Honey base. So this is and I rub it on. Little circles, and then rinse. Okay. Then using Prepare. This is a light toner mist. I usually do 2 sprays. And then for this one, I just use my hands, and it's a nice way to massage the skin. So again, I do little circles, rub it in. It can just dry on its own, but I like to distribute it around by massaging. Also, if you stay a little bit here, de-stress. And then you want to let that dry. Now, next up, this is newer in their line, and it's On the Spot Moisturizer. And it smells incredible. Ooh, that is not what we want, not what to do. Do not waste. Okay. It's a nice thing of using your own tins. Reusable tins. Okay. I rub it up like that in my hands, and then same here. I just reapply. Now, if you're only acne prone, perhaps on your cheeks, then you can just put it there. I want to put it everywhere. 1, I love the smell of it. Really love the smell of it. 2, my skin has not been super happy, but I've noticed a huge difference when I started using this in the past couple weeks. Even with all the stress of everything going on right now. Manuka and Kanuka honey. Any extras too, I just rub off on the rest of my skin. Then we go on to the moisturizer. It's day, so I'm going to use the morning moisturizer. I just use a little bit there, and same thing. And I promise you this gets more interesting. Now for the eyes. This one for the eyes, it's a roll-on. So the nice thing of this, you shake it down and then roll it. I put it on the top of my eye, and I also do under. A little bonus tip, you can put this in your refrigerator. Don't overnight it in your freezer, but you can put it in the freezer for maybe like 5-10 minutes. And then when you take it out, it's nice and cooling. So here's where you can depuff underneath the eyes. One more. Sometimes I use this one, sometimes I don't. I'm gonna do it for our purposes. There's this serum that they have. It's an oil base, but it's not one of those oils that is, gonna leave your face all super shiny. And you can see it here. And I just take a little drop. Don't use much. My fingers, and then I kind of dab it on just my forehead, my cheeks, and around my jaw here. It has high levels of vitamin C, which is great for reducing any spot marks, rejuvenating new skin. I live in Miami, I'm in the sun a lot. The magic. I'm using this little tool, it's a Jade Tool. And then this is where I rub all of this in. So I have this on my skin, but then I add this layer to it. Now you follow the lines of the face. That's the important part. So here, I take this side up. Here's where I start to depuff underneath my eyes. Sometimes this helps my sinuses too, I find. And then I go to this side and I do the same thing. Then I'm gonna switch it, I'm gonna use the bottom. I broke mine, so I have to be careful. And then I go down here, stop talking, Sarah, and here. It also really helps. We did this in Indonesia. The massage therapist did this on my face with her, both the tool and her hands as a way to de-stress and relax the muscles. She has big muscles here in your cheeks. So you can do this too, and you follow up. So you start here, I'm gonna remember, and go up, up. Sometimes you can linger here a little bit. And then do it on the other side. Now, still taking this, and then go up here in the middle. Over, over. Kind of like if you were doing, I don't know, when I used to draw, I used to do the leaves coming out of a pumpkin or an apple. And it's kind of how you want it to sprout up and out. It's following the lines of your face cell structure. A little bit there. You want to clean this off once in a while. You will notice, I don't know if you can see it, you will notice your skin's gonna be red, 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 red. Don't be concerned. That's actually a good thing. That means that you're getting the blood moving in your face. So it's a good thing. It will go away fast, I promise. The last two finishing touches, I don't need to. My skin is actually, there's no breakouts right now, which, you can use, they make an on-the-spot treatment, and this is just little points if you need to. Sometimes my chin breaks out and I just put a spot or two here and that'll absorb in. I don't need that right now. And then the last part, this one I usually bring with me on the plane actually. And I leave it in my backpack and I reapply especially in an airplane, I don't know, every 20 minutes. And then the finishing touch. If I'm going all natural like I am today and I'm not doing any makeup, I need to see what I'm doing. Then I'll just brush my eyebrows and call it a day. That's my skincare routine when I'm at home, but especially after traveling. It leaves my eyes nice and light. They're depuffed. It helps to anti-age my skin, be it from travel, the sun, I hate to say it, but age. And it leaves my skin free of acne, or at least managing it a lot better than it was before. Again, I've been using Natural Skinfood for just over a year now, and I have noticed a big difference between my skin before and after. There are 0 harsh chemicals used in Natural Skinfood. Everything is derived from nature and plant-based and eco-friendly. So yes, most of their products are made from honey, but everything is sustainably sourced from New Zealand. Their packaging too, fun tip, any of the renewable packaging that you just get the inserts and you squeeze them in, that is all recyclable. So everything down to the last detail, even the packaging that it comes in, is recyclable and eco-friendly. Hope this was helpful. There's a link below that you can try out some of their sample kits. They also do bundles too if you subscribe, and it's a lot cheaper. So I'll link all of that below, and you can save 10% off of your order using my code LIVEFREE10. That's below as well. Hope this was helpful and useful. Subscribe to Live Free TV. If you like videos like this, is a little different than usual, then let me know in the comment section below. Follow along on Instagram at LiveFreeWarrior. And in the meantime, while we're home, make use of all this time that we have, add a little bit of self-care, and learn healthier ways to travel and live even while we're at home. Thanks, warriors. Talk with you soon.